If you want a recipe for your heart and intestines, this is your video to watch. You're gonna slice some potatoes to your liking. You're gonna cut up a white onion or a yellow onion. Add about 1 spoon of oil. You don't want to add too much because it's going to be a little unhealthy. Add some onions. Make sure you saute the onions and add some garlic. And again, saute them so they're like nice and soft. And you're going to put in your potatoes. Make sure everything is evenly coated. Add some veggie broth. Make sure like just barely covers the potatoes. Add some garlic, a little bit of salt, and boil the potatoes until they're nice and soft. Again, be light with the salt because you don't want it to be a little too unhealthy, but it's your preference. Add some frozen sweet peas. Mix everything until combined. Let it boil for around 30 seconds and we're ready to serve. So guys, I'm gonna try this. I'm super excited. Oh my god, it's so good. It's super soft and delicate, very warm and comforting. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.